I call on the Minister for Local Government, Housing and Community Development, the Honourable Premila Kumar. You have the floor, ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Again, Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the Honourable Member for his question. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Housing Authority of Fiji introduced a debt relief assistance program in 2011 to assist homeowners who could not pay their home loan. As you know, Mr. Speaker, sir, Housing Authority provides mortgage financing for low-income earning customers. And there are over 2,800 active mortgage customers with Housing Authority. Mr. Speaker, sir, the key criteria used for assessing applications are: number one, the homeowner has retired and is over 55 years of age. The homeowner is unfit to work, which is medically proven. The homeowner is unemployed, and the household income of the homeowner is below $10,000 per annum. Mr. Speaker, sir, under this policy, homeowners can be assisted through various measures. For example, by writing off full outstanding loan amount, or through partial loan write-off, or as a temporary measure, assist unemployed homeowners by freezing the interest and fees on the loan balance for up to 12 months. Mr. Speaker, sir, the usual practice in loan business is to recover any unpaid debt through mortgagee sale of property. However, the Housing Authority's Debt Relief Assistance Program is an initiative to help those customers who are not able to meet their debt obligations due to genuine reasons. It is a program to save homes from mortgagee sale. Mr. Speaker, sir, to financially assist Housing Authority with this program, government provides grant funding. The government contribution to this program is 50% of the loan amount written off by the Housing Authority, and the other 50% comes from the Housing Authority. Mr. Speaker, sir, from the inception of this program, government has paid a total of $5 million to Housing Authority to support the authority's debt relief assistance program. So far, 425 Fijian households have benefited from this initiative at a cost of $8.5 million. $4.79 million has been paid through government assistance, and the balance of $3.75 million has been met by the Housing Authority. There are currently 40 applications being considered for assistance by the Housing Authority. Whenever a government rolls out such programs, Mr. Speaker, sir, there is always a tendency that such programs can be misused. So there are some measures in place, some conditions put in place to prevent misuse of well-intended debt assistance program. And these are members, if the homeowner or his or her beneficiary wishes to sell or transfer the mortgage property within 10 years of receiving this assistance, then the total sum paid by Housing Authority is recovered under this program. No further loans will be granted by the Housing Authority within 10 years of receiving this assistance unless the total amount is repaid to the authority in full. Mr. Speaker, sir, the customers of Housing Authority who meet the criteria under this program can apply for this assistance, and the authority will process the applications for consideration, which is finally approved by the Housing Authority Board. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. That's all I have to say.